If you work in Microsoft Word, knowing how to check your word count is one of those simple skills that can save you a lot of time. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, a blog draft, or even a resume, Word gives you a quick way to see exactly how long your document is. In this video, I'll show you how to use word count in Word in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. This can be any file you're already working on, and once it's open, you'll usually notice that Word is already showing some useful information for you. Take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen, also known as the status bar. This is one of the fastest places to see your word count right away. In many cases, Word will display the total number of words in your document automatically, so you may not even need to click anything. If you're just looking for a quick check, this is the easiest method. But if you want more detailed information, Word has a built-in word count tool you can open manually. To do that, go to the Review tab at the top of the screen. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps many of its editing and proofreading tools, including spelling, comments, and word count. Once you click Review, look for the Word Count button. It's usually easy to spot, and when you click it, a small window will open showing detailed statistics about your document. This usually includes the number of pages, words, characters with spaces, characters without spaces, paragraphs, and lines. That makes it really helpful if you need to meet a specific assignment requirement or keep your writing within a certain limit. Another helpful thing to know is that the word count can change depending on what you highlight. If you select only part of your document before opening word count, Word will often show the count for just that selection. That's useful when you want to check the length of one paragraph, one section, or just a few sentences instead of the whole file. So if you need the full document count, make sure nothing is selected. If you only need a portion, highlight the text first, then open word count from the Review tab. Once you've checked the information you need, you can simply close the window and continue editing your document. That's really all there is to it. You can use the status bar for a fast glance, or the Review tab for more detailed word count information whenever you need it. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.